Everyone, my name is Happy. Live your dream. Learning English can significantly improve your life for many good reasons. English is the universal language. It is used in over 100 countries and more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. 1 out of 5 people in the world can understand English. But more importantly, English enables you to get a better job. However, there are a lot of people saying, I tried to learn English several times, but it didn't work out. Day by day, again and again, they just stop at but. They block themselves. They use but as an excuse not to conquer English. With successful people, there is a difference between failing and being failure. Even if things don't work out, they still get up and try again. What about you? Stop making excuses. Don't define yourself by the result. Do what you can. Never give up. What are you waiting for? Live your dream.